The most unexpected item in my bag is... I'm Paige DeSorbo. Are you ready to spill it? My bag is Prada. I didn't buy it, I got it as a gift. And this is my carry-on airplane travel bag. This has been packed, repacked 8,000 times, but who knows what's in here. I feel like this bag is very me. It's all black. It doesn't have a beating heart. It's nylon. If you get anything on it, you just wipe it off, walk it off, shrug it off. By nature, I identify as a squirrel because I always have snacks somewhere hidden. You never know where inside this bag. Somewhere there's a granola bar. Okay, let's do it. First and foremost, I'm Cat in the Hat. This is bag inside of a bag because you never know when you need another bag. So this is really the bag for this outfit. This is my new red Caperni bag. I'm obsessed with it because I feel like it's an odd shape. And the zipper goes all the way up here. It doesn't need to. It certainly doesn't need to do that, but I love it. Then I have my iPad because you just never know when you need to color. And that's a real thing because somewhere in here has to be my iPad pen. That's why I have an iPad. I'm at home coloring. And then really this whole bag has another bag inside. This is my organized bag in my bag. This is probably my favorite lip combo right now. This is Tower 28, and this is Kosas lip oil. I know I talk a lot of crap about lip oil, and I do mean it when I say it, but this one I do actually really like. There's gloves, not any kind of gloves, not just gloves to keep your hands warm. Honestly, gloves in case you have to commit a crime because these go all the way up to your shoulders. I'm not sure why I have them, but they're stunning. Never worn them once, they live in my bag. Oh, like I said, I am a squirrel. Made Good, one of the best brands if you ever get hungry. This looks suspicious. Don't worry, it's not. It's just de-bloating vitamins. Could get a little dicey at TSA, but trust me, this is FDA approved, so. Here's my iPad pencil. Thank God, I thought I lost her. My keys. A lot of people make fun of me about my keys because I'm not a janitor, but I don't feel like I have that many keys. And this is essential. This is a birdie. My mom got it for me for Christmas, so I would never not use something my mom got me. And if you pull it off, it doesn't really make that loud of a sound. It does flash a light. It's supposed to like help if someone's trying to attack you, but in all honesty, what is this really gonna do? I'm just gonna flash it in their face. It doesn't matter. It stays on my keys, just in case. This is another bag inside my bag, and this, now this is fun. This is a portable charger because you literally never know. Yep, fully charged. This has cords, amazing. This is an air fly for when you're flying, you plug it into the TV of the airplane and then you can use your own headphones. Because you don't want someone else's earwax in your ear. That seems, take me out to dinner first, that seems disgusting. Obviously we have the Alex Earl light. I'm an innovator. I put my Octo Buddy on the back of it. Aquaphor. I know that all the lip oils are trying to be her, but she is the original, she is the moment. I love her so much. She comes in handy everywhere. You can put her everywhere, that's the thing. It's not just for your lips. Honestly, I don't even put it on my lips that much. She goes in my eyebrows and sometimes she goes on my cheekbones if I wake up from a long flight. You're just refreshed. And then, oh, we had to do it because it's Hailey Bieber and it would be rude to women if I didn't buy one. So we have one of these. Hand sanitizer, because everyone's disgusting. So this is great. A little brush that says giggly in case you ever forget. And if you're ever having a hard day, just giggle. This is my perfume, it's from Sniff. It goes in my bag because I like that it has a magnetic top. So then I know it's not like going anywhere. And honestly, it does smell great. This is Caudalie facial like mist spray, but honestly, it's just like whenever you've had enough and you need a second to yourself, this like helps. You're just, shh, mommy's working. That's what it says to me. A water bottle because we're hydration station. A pair of Orium sunglasses, so cute, adorable. These live in here too. My card holder, my infamous Tic Tacs, a large claw clip because you never know. Oh my God, this is the cutest little speaker you've ever seen, okay? I always forget that it's in here, but like if you're in a hotel bathroom or honestly anywhere, adorable. This is one of my favorite things in my bag. Wait till you see this. I got this on Amazon. You have no idea what it is, right? You put it on a table. Hold on. Well, whatever, it's broken, but it has a great concept. So if you're anywhere and you're like, I'm not putting my bag on the ground because that's disgusting, you literally hook it onto the table and then you hold it up. No, I know, it's adorable, I know. The most unexpected item in my bag is definitely my AG1 greens, which honestly, it's depressing. I never wanted to be this healthy. That's everything in my bag. The girls are always giggling all the time, so Giggly Squad every Tuesday, wherever you listen to your podcasts. All right, I have to go, so see ya. Got it. To watch more videos like this, subscribe here.